My name's Beeson. I'm the lead technical coordinator for IKO Commercial. I've been in the roofing industry for 18 years. My area of expertise is really training and adult education. I've put down a lot of different roofing systems, and I'm able to articulate the proper way of doing that. So when someone decides to attend a training at our Hagerstown training facility, they can expect a wide variety of information to be provided to them. We do a PowerPoint presentation to start the day. We give them some general information about IKO and our products and the way they install. And then we transition to the back to the high bay area where we do different hands-on activities. We practice doing laps, both left and right-handed. We work on installing pipe boots, inside and outside corners, and then we do a lot of different demonstrations with all of our different adhesives. We also discuss induction welding. And then we take all those little individual pieces and parts that we use, and we try to apply them to a real world situation where we have a 16 by 16 deck where the contractors that attend will physically roof that deck area and make it a watertight roof. The IAAP program is the official program. If a contractor wants to be able to do warranted work, they have to be part of our IAAP program. Once the contractor has been approved and trained, then they are able to go out and install roofs that will be able to be warranted. Greatest piece of advice I think I could give a contractor is just to be patient and stay humble. It's a big industry. There's a lot of different ways to do everything. No one knows it all. And if you don't know, ask questions. A lot of times we have people with quite a few years of experience, and they come in with a preconceived notion of how things are supposed to be installed. And they're very used to doing things a very traditional way. And one of the things we like to emphasize here at the training center is all the new technology in the roofing industry. There's a lot of innovative things that can help speed up the installation process, open up that window of opportunity to roof earlier in the spring, later in the fall, and also help you get on and off the roof faster, which will allow you to do multiple jobs, which in turn should make your company more profitable. The main thing we would like for them to get out of this is a basic understanding of the IKO products that we offer and how those products can be installed to achieve a roofing system that can be warranted. I'm not one to play my cards close to my vest. Everybody who attends this training, I want them to walk out knowing everything that I know if that's humanly possible. So I just enjoy sharing the knowledge that I have about roofing and trying to make everybody the best employee they can be it an IKO employee or a contractor. Handing out the certificates to completion is the pinnacle of the day. We've accomplished something, everyone has achieved something, they've learned something, and it just brings me great joy knowing that everyone has walked away with something.
My name is Arnett with Arnett Construction and Roofing out of Northern Indiana. We're down here today to visit with our folks at IKO Commercial and do hands-on training here in the classroom. And they know what they're doing here at IKO. It's a very beautiful facility, top-notch, and all the employees on today's training day worked with us, from Ben to Kevin to the whole crew. It was not a boring day, full of classroom day where you're sitting in here, can't wait to get out of here. We had a little bit of classroom, we did the tour, came back in a little bit more classroom, and most of the action happened in building the roofs. And that was probably the most important part, was seeing how passionate the IKO representatives were about making sure us, the consumers, were not only installing the products the right way, but we knew everything about it, inside and out, from start to finish, to make sure that we're putting on the best roofs possible. Throughout the 30 years of being in the industry, we've had numerous trainings, both on the residential and commercial side. Today's training at the IKO facility was hands down the best we've had in all 30 years of doing business.